Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see what's going on out in these woods. So we picked up something new. Trail cams. Let's check it out. So we're going to try and catch some of these in their natural environment using one of these. I think that's Assark PH960W. I picked up this on Amazon, and all those noises out in the woods at night, we're gonna see what's going on. First thing we're gonna do is open up the box, see what's in here. And it looks like a instruction manual. A solar panel, which I don't think I'm going to use because I've heard the reviews say the battery holds a pretty good charge. What else we got in the box? Here's the camera. Tripod mount. Looks like some kind of power switch. There's a memory card slot there. It's got a memory card in there already. And this looks like a charge port, or where you can hook in that solar panel. Also in this box, looks like you've got a strap for strapping it to the trees. All right, there's where your strap goes through at. What else we got in here? You got your charge cord and some other mounting hardware. Some drywall screws. This looks like where you could screw that onto a building, and then an adjustable camera mount. So you could screw that to a building. That screws in there, and then it screws in to the bottom of the camera. So if you want to wall mount it to something without the strap, you've got that option too. So it doesn't come with a plug, so you got to supply your own power source. It comes with the cable, and you just plug that into the bottom port of that camera right there. And we'll let that charge, and we will come back to it and continue on. So while I'm charging these, I got the switch set to the off position. And then there's a test and an on. There's your memory card slot, and then your USB port for charging. So right now, just got it in the off position. And the blue light flashes a couple times and stays on. So according to these instructions, when the light stays lit, that means it's fully charged. While I'm waiting for the camera to charge, I am going to download the app. So after that is done, I'll get that installed and then connect the phone to the camera. We'll see how easy that goes. We got one with the solid blue light. Guess that's done charging. This one is still blinking, and going to go and try and hook this up with the app that I just downloaded. So the app was pretty self-explanatory. You download that, you install it, you open it, the bottom of the camera where you have the switch it over into test mode, and then you connect the camera. And in those settings is where you're going to set up your date, your time. It's recommended that you go to the memory card and format the memory card. So I went ahead and did that. And you can name the camera. What else is on there? It's all pretty self-explanatory. And after that, the cameras will be taken out into the field and installed, strap them to a tree somewhere, and we'll see what we catch in that night or in the day. Find out what all these noises are in the Kentucky woods. So I'm gonna let these cameras record some video over the next couple days or weeks, and I got a couple pictures here that I will show just from overnight, and we will get these videos downloaded when we get some interesting stuff. So stay tuned to the channel. I'll be posting some wild videos from Kentucky later in another video. Thanks for watching.